are the love of my life and my best friend. I will do everything I can to make sure you and our family have a great life and receive all of my support.
I'm certain that I will love you and will continue to love you forever. So today, I promise to give you the best version of myself. I look forward to continuing our adventures together. I feel so grateful to have you as my partner in life. I wouldn't want to do this with anyone else. I love you.
Through thick and thin, I will be by your side. I love you so much, Michelle.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Joe, you may kiss your bride.
I'm so happy that you're becoming part of our family. I wish you two nothing but happiness, love, and success for the rest of your years.
And no matter what, always remember she will always be by your side. Let's raise our glasses and toast to many years of happiness. Love you both.